Hello, kiddos! Hope you all are doing great today. It's a new day, and I'm here with a new sound for you. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's get started! So, let's begin our lesson with the revision of previous sound. Who can tell me what are these sounds? You are right. We have s, a, t, and e on the screen. Awesome! Since you know these sounds, it's time to learn a new sound then. Ready for the story? Here you go. Listen to the story carefully because today's sound is hidden in this story. Ready? Here you go. Paul likes to visit the city zoo near his home. His favorite animal there is the polar bear. The polar bear has big paws for paddling in the pool, says the zookeeper. It is Paul's birthday soon, and his mother asks if he would like a teddy bear as his present. Paul thinks about this and says that he would prefer a polar bear. When his birthday arrives, Paul's friends Pang, Paolo, and Pat come to his party. They all play games and eat the party food: pineapple, pizza, and popcorn. Then Paul's mother gives Paul his present. He unwrapped the paper to find a perfect toy polar bear. After that, Paul's mother produces a big birthday cake with purple icing. She has put trick candles on the cake. Every time Paul blows out a candle, it lights up again. He tries to puff out the candles, but they keep relighting. Everyone laughs and claps and tries to puff out the candles. So, do you get any idea about today's sound? If you try to puff out a candle, what is the sound that you make? It's you are great! This is our today's sound, and this is how it looks like. This is right? So now we shall learn about the action of this sound and also how do we write it. If you want to show the sound p, hold up your finger as if it is a candle and pretend to puff it out, saying p, 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 just like Paul. Try it and say the sound. P, p, p. You got it, boy? Now let's go for the formation. How do we form this letter? How do we write it? And here you go. Hold your index finger up and start moving it with my finger. Go down, up on the same line, round, and you have made P. Let's try it once again. Down, up, round. P. Remember one thing, that we need to write P in 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3. We start with the first blue line, go down to the red line, come up on the same line and make a circle in the blue lines. Don't write P like this, don't write P like this. Always take care about these 3 lines, blue, blue, red. Got it? So now let's take out your worksheet where we can write P, or you can write it on your notebook as well. Let's get started. Let's try to write P in the lines now. From the blue line, go down, come up, make a circle in the blue lines. Say the sound P, 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 P. Good job! You did it amazingly. Now let's take out this worksheet. You need to circle the pictures that have p sound in them. You can pause the video here, try doing it yourself, and later you can come and check your answers with me. Pants, cat. Pants, cat. Pens. I hear p in pens. Pan, wall. Pan, wall. Pan. Table, pocket. Table, pocket. Pocket. Peacock, ball. Peacock, ball. Peacock. Horse, pot. Horse, pot. I hear p in pot. Circle this one. And I believe that you have done the same way. Excellento! Okay, now it's time to check out our other worksheet. In this worksheet, you need to put a check below for things that have the p sound in them and cross out the others. The first picture is of a pen. Pen. Do you hear p? Pen. You can pause the video once again and try doing it yourself. Later, you can come and check your answers. Chair. Chair. We don't have p in chair. Pot. Pot. P. Pot. I do hear it. Giraffe. Giraffe. P and giraffe. No, we don't have p in giraffe. Pink. 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 I hear p in pink. Eyes. 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 Nope in eyes. Now you can draw something here that has p sound in it. And I know that you have done it, so you have got these many stars. Well done. Now it's the most important part of our lesson, and it is the blending time. So let's get started. Try to read these words with me. P, e, p, t, pit. Quickly. Pit. P, a, pat. Pat. Quickly. Pat. T, a, tap. Tap. Quickly. Tap. T, e, t, p, tip. Quickly. Tip. You read so well. Now is the time for segmenting. Let's take out your notebooks and try to write the sounds that I'm telling you. Ready? So the first sound that I want you to write is T. Can you write T, please? Done? This is how we write it. Hope you have written the same. Please write P, P, P. Go down, up, P. Can you write S, S? Can you write E, please? E, E. Did you write it like this? Well done. Please write A, A. Have you written it? Here it is. Now I'm going to say a word. Try to get the sounds and write the word. Pat. Pat. What is the first sound? P. Pa. What do you hear after P? Pa. A. Pat. Pat. What is the last sound that you hear? Well done. It is t. The word is pat. Can you please write the word tip? Tip. Tip. What is the first sound that you hear? Tip. You are right. It's t. Listen to the second sound carefully. Tip. T. 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 We have a. We need to write a here. T. A. T. Tip. 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 The last sound is p. Awesome. You got it. Tip. Tip. Well done. And last but not the least, you have this paper with you. Here you can color the pictures in which you hear the p sound and can leave the pictures where you don't have the p sound. The first picture is of a painting. Then we have mango, pigeon, hat, and pens. Do it yourself, please. And now it's time for some homework. It's very simple. Please find 5 objects around you that have p sound in them, and then you can make a peacock with hand printing. You will need an adult though. Just put some hand paint on your hand, paste it on a paper, and draw a crown, a beak, and 2 feet, and your pigeon is ready. Hope you have enjoyed today's class. Keep revising the sounds again and again. Keep doing practice for blending and segmenting. I'll see you soon with the new sound. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.